dinner in 30 minutes. Air fryer pork ribs. Don't they look good? I've got some baked beans there too. Some keto baked beans to go with them. Or you can use a cauli mac and cheese. Air fryer pork ribs. Now the reason why I came up with this recipe is we had a lot of rain going through here and I couldn't get onto my smoker, but I wanted some ribs. And you can do some really good ribs in the air fryer. And I'm going to show you how I do it. So the recipe for this is below in the comments, but I've got a really good rub here. It's a sugar-free rub, and you want to make this up ahead, just like the sauce. And this rub has some granulated garlic and dehydrated garlic and dehydrated onion in it, and it's a little bit smoky. I put some smoked paprika into this one, powder, and it's really good on my picnic chicken. So there's lots of recipes today. I've got the air fryer pork ribs. I've got the rub. I've got the sauce, the sugar-free sauce, which we're going to put on the ribs. I'll also link to a couple of side dishes, my cauli mac and cheese, which goes really well with this. And then right now I've got some keto baked beans in here. And for the keto baked beans, I use some black organic soybeans. There's virtually no carbs in this. They're organic, non-GMO. I think it's 1 carb for half a cup of cooked black soybeans. And they're keto friendly. So my ribs of choice are St. Louis style. I cut these out of the whole side ribs, and I'll use the breastbone part for another recipe, which is for my pressure cooked ribs. A piece of paper towel like this, and just get your fingers underneath the membrane. It should slide right off. There we go. Nobody wants to eat that. What I'm going to do is take some of my rub and hit it both sides. Now with the rub, put lots on and kind of pat it in. Now what you can do is you can take this and wrap it in some saran wrap and put it into the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. That adds a lot of deep flavor into this. You get the ends. This rub is really good on pork butts too. There, I like that. Now all air fryers are different. This one here, it has a very, very small basket. You can see how small that is. So how I get around cooking, that's not going to fit in. So what I do is I take this, I cut it right down the center like that. And then I'm going to lay it teepee style in there. One like this and one like that. And we're going to go in. I'm going to set this for 375 degrees. I'm going to go for about 25 to 40 minutes. And I'm going to check it in 25, and then we'll do a couple of tricks with it. So we'll get this going. There, that's going. See you in 25 minutes. Okay, so I went for 25 minutes. The bones stacked kind of high in the air fryer basket. So it got too close to the element at 370 degrees. So I took it down to 360 degrees, went for 25 minutes, and they look fantastic. Look at that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sauce one of them, and I'm going to do the other one dry. I'll sauce it on both sides. Just a little basting brush. Now, to add smoke in, I put like a couple of drops of the hickory smoke. It's kind of cheating, but what? There's nothing wrong with these ribs. In we go. Beans are ready. They're just resting. There you go. That's 7 minutes in total with the sauce at 360. And my beans are finished. Oh, that looks good. If you've got an air fryer and you're looking for something really fun to make these ribs. Make up the sugar-free rub and the sugar-free sauce and dip it. So this is the one with the sauce on it. You can see what that looks like. That's nice and caramelized. And these are the dry ribs. They should just fall right apart. Look at that. Wow. It's kind of cheating, but you know what? If it's raining and you don't have a smoker, and or you can't get to your smoker, I highly recommend doing it in the air fryer. It's so easy. That was like 30 to 40 minutes and you're done. Okay, and here are my baked beans. That's a must try too. It goes really well with it, along with the cauli mac and cheese. But you can see what that looks like. There you go. There's air fryer ribs with a sugar-free sauce on it, sugar-free rub. I'm going to put this on my must-try list. Thanks for watching.